what's going on? It's another day. I just showed up on the job site. This job is gonna be an interesting one. So we are cleaning out this pond. We are mowing around the pond, clearing around the pond, clearing all the brush and overhang and stuff around the pond. And there's one tree over here that we are going to clear out of the water as well. But the main focus is cleaning out all the vegetation that's in the pond. I don't have any pieces of machinery that do it, so I'm going to be getting in the pond myself. The awesome thing about this pond is it has plenty of wildlife in it. The homeowner has stocked the pond with goldfish and one other type of fish, and it is extremely lively, like very alive. The water is extremely murky because we've been having a lot of rain and stuff over the last few weeks. My biggest concern, honestly, is snapping turtles. I really don't want to be bit by a snapping turtle. But yeah, we're gonna get started. This is what it looks like now. There's a clear path all the way around the pond. That's what the customer stated how it was before, and he was easily able to mow it. So this is all mowable now. This spot's like the most narrow because there's rocks here, there's rocks right there, and it's a hump right here. Rocks all right here and stuff. That's the most narrow spot, but keep going. That's what I'm gonna do right now, is take care of that tree. But yeah, it's all fully mowable now. I gotta spend some more time trimming around the pond before I actually get into it. Oh. don't really want to get in this pond, but at least only half the pond has vegetation on it, you know. Over on the right hand side, that's the shallow part. It's only like, I don't know, 3 feet deep, 4 feet deep, give or take, but I don't know how deep it is over here. That's gonna be interesting. We'll see. A little bit more around that edge. I think it's like over here, but yeah, this is where the fun starts, and I'm not excited for it. All right, guys, this is the end result. Came out beautiful. What's crazy is we spent like over an hour and a half, 2 hours just cleaning out debris, and that's still how much there is. But yeah, it came out absolutely beautiful. Exactly what the customer was looking for. It's a little dirty. If they want us to come back, I'll come back tomorrow and with a pool cleaner or whatever. But I don't think they are. I think they're happy. So yeah, just loading up. As you guys saw, first casualty, first breakdown on the mini skid steer. And then we got the track back on, and then of course can't even get the plug back on in order to put grease. Just loading up the lawnmower, and then we're getting out of here. Silva under pressure. Apparently we do pond clean outs too.